Hello, my name is Abhinav Salve. I have completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from VIIT College, which is Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology. From my peers, I actually got to know about this post-graduation program in data science and data analytics from EduplusNow. At first, I was very unsure about the technical aspects of this course, whether I could understand the technical languages like SQL, Python, or the machine learning well, because I come from the mechanical engineering background. But the course was structured in such a great way that it felt very easy to understand. Also, the faculty of this course was so much helpful. Uh, uh, they have experience in this particular technical fields, so it made very easy for us to understand every aspect of the technical field. So this course gave me an opportunity to explore my career in a new field other than my graduation, and it also gave me and confidence to build the technical skill set which I have now because of the EduplusNow. This course is very helpful and great for the engineers and also for the non-IT professionals to start their career in IT. The practical approach, the training and the real-world scenario projects helps the individual in technical aspect. So also during the teachings and also during the course, we get the placement opportunities from the different IT background companies, which help us in getting new jobs and career opportunities. So thank you EduplusNow for that.